Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learn about JComponents in Java. The JComponents class is the base class of all the Swing components except top level containers. Swing components whose names being with J are descendant of the JComponents class. For example, JButton, JScroller, scrollpan, JPanel, JTable, etc. But JFrame and JDialog does not inherit the JComponent class because they are the child of the top level containers. The JComponent class extends the container class, which itself extends components. The container class has support for adding the components of the container. Now we just go to the example of this JComponent, and here I just import java.awt.color, and then I just import java.awt.graphics. Okay, now I just import javax dot swing dot j component, and now I just import javax dot swing dot j frame. Okay, now so I just remove this double colon, and here in this class I just extend j component. Okay, and now inside this class I just write public void and paint. So paint is graphics, which is g, and then g dot set color, and the color here is color dot gray. So it's not gray, I just write blue. Okay, now g dot, sorry, it's g dot fill rect, and which is 30, 30, and 100 and 200. So 200 and 200. Okay, now I just create public static void main, and then sorry, create one another class with JComponent. Okay, and here I just create a class with JComp1. So this is a class of JComp1, and here I just write public static void main, and then string arguments. Now I just get this class, and here I just write JComponent and create an object which is equal to new JComponent, and then I just create a basic frame here. So J frame dot set default and look field decorated, which is true, and J frame dot J frame, and here I just write frame and frame. Okay, so which is equal to new J frame. So it's J frame, and here I just write J components as a string, and then frame dot set size, and size here is 300 and 300. And then frame dot set default on close operation, which is j frame dot exit on close, and then I just add the components to the main frame. So frame dot add, and which is com, and then frame dot set visible, which is true. Now I just check the output, and you can see here a J component with the screen. You can see here J components, and you can see minimizing and cancel and J component, which is blue. So this is a simple example of the J components in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.